This was my flash attempt on this V5 crimpy climb here. You start off with pretty steep volume here, just drop the heels. I did a crossover here, focused on maintaining balance and tension in the feet for the rose move here. And then just really, it's a straightforward boulder. It's just about moving slowly, making sure not to move the feet so it doesn't slip from the small jibs, and just being able to manage the crimps, which are pretty small. At this point, you finally get a decent pocket and then a good pinch, and then we're pretty much home free here.